Hello guys, it's Drona VK and I'm gonna teach you how to make a house. Should we use this first? So, oh come on, I always do this. Then you just make, maybe you can just do one, two, just make a 10 block of oak planks. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And just do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You got a square. As long as you wanted to keep it simple, you can just keep it simple. I want to do this. Just wait. I just want to do this. I make it simple. It's more better this way. So now you just got something like this. If you want to copy me, you can just do it. It'll just sound kind of. Wait, what does it look like? A whistle, sort of. A bus? Sorry, never mind. No, what's just let me. There we go. And eat this. Ah! I need to get used to the. I think I can put it here for a zombie. I just have a zombie for some. Bop. And then you just keep doing that. You just. We'll skip the corners. Don't do the corners. It's bad. I'm gonna make it longer. I wish I could fast forward. I don't know how to do that. It's kind of invisible when you do the first one. See, it's kind of invisible. Unless you just see it. Wait. Oh, come on. It's raining. See, unless you just see it, it's not invisible. I just do not like rain unless I can play volleyball like last time I did with my friend in real life. I like that time. I have a bad throat actually. Whoa! Okay, that's thunder. That's definitely thunder. You saw that light. I know you saw that light. I know you saw that light. I know it because that was weird. Thunder really happens weird. I've never seen thunder without by not spotting it, and I've never seen that before. Don't care about the house. Don't. Wow, that's really a newbie. I don't know why I'm a noob. I just say that to myself. I'm always a nerd, and can I say it in front of you? Okay, I'm saying it. I'm a nerd. I'm dumb. I'm a nerd. I'm dumb. I'm a nerd. There. Okay. Then you just do one more level so you can jump. Let's do this. Do it in creative mode. It's more easier because, you know, stuff. Whoa! Ah! I don't. You saw that light. You saw that light come out. I wish I could see it again. I'm gonna try my best to see it again. As long as there's a circle, you see that. If you see a circle, just tell me. I know there's a circle there. It's weird. It's not getting in my way, but I know it's gonna go in my way. You see that plus sign? It's in the circle. Now you know what that is. Then you just keep doing that. You just make a roof the way you want it. Wait! It kind of looks like a regular house being built. That's so cool. Wee bop bop bop. And later we're gonna make the torches. Oh, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck! There we go. I don't know what X means. I was actually pressing. Ah, why do I keep getting stuck? No, I think there's thunder coming now. Wow, that looks so cool. I know it's gonna come soon. Tell me if you see light. It's taking longer. I wish I could fast forward. I don't know how to. I'm not good as my mom. That's good. It's kind of like a. Oh, it's a. What? I think it's coming now. Wait, is there any sun in sight? Oh, that looks like a. Does it look some sort of like a? Do you see? It kind of looks like some sort of face and nose. That's so cool. Just wait. Ah. And we're not really done it. We still need to make torches and beds and carpets and stuff. Now wait. Alright, it's dark. You should know we have torches. We can make a bathtub. If I can, I don't know how. I forgot how. Ah! I just do it like this. There. That's good. So, and you can jump. Now we just need to clip it. Wait. It looks the same. Should we just do this? Okay. I think cobblestone. I changed my mind. Actually, we should do this. Maybe this one? I think maybe if I want to feel something. I feel like what's that scrolling down? Okay, let me just feel like something. This, I feel like this. Maybe I feel like doing this actually. I have no idea what NPC is. It's good. Wait, oh, I think you can make blocks with that. Ah! It's kind of like a block. If you make a block, if you just, oh my god, what was that? I have no idea. Wait, I want to do something. Wait, I think I can just use this. It's way easier. It's easier. Oh, that is a lot. Yeah, that. Oh, come on. I'm disappointed of myself because I know I'm a noob. Wait, does it look the same? Yeah. Why do I just keep stuff in my inventory? I hate that. I'm actually, in real life, my inventory is lame. I have a lot. I'm just gonna break all this, and then Oh my god. And that's why I go like, nope, no one doing that. No one's gonna do that in my life. I'm never doing that in my life. But I'm gonna do that again, even though I just promised myself I'm not gonna do that. Die, grass. I guess I should not do that. What? Did I just hit bedrock? Bedrock? But what? Oh wait. Oh yeah, wait. Never mind. And I can actually turn bedrock. I don't know how. And I'm just gonna fill all these up. And be really careful on my next one. I have no idea how that's bedrock. That bedrock is weird. No one has ever reached bedrock before. I'm just going to wait. What? I still have 64. Oh yeah, I'm in creative mode. See, no hurts. Nothing. I wish I could enchant. I know how to enchant stuff, so I didn't feel like enchanting. Does my friend know how to enchant? Do you know how to enchant? No, he said no.
Yeah.
He's right next to me. He said, oh, you know how to enchant?
No, I don't.
No, it's easy. You just get an anvil. You get an enchanted book on what you want. Let's say blast protection V, IV, or maybe V, maybe 3. Blast protection 3. And then you do your armor.
You can enchant.
And then you just like put some enchanted book of that blast protection or anything, and then you can just like, and it'll just say something with enchanted.
You can enchant a grass block.
Of course you can't. I don't know actually. Is this like parkour?
Yeah.
No, it is.
It's like a maze.
Sort of. Not really.
So
I'm doing a video. I'm just telling out to my mom. She's always interrupting. I'm glad I didn't use slabs. The slabs you know.
yeah.
That was so flat I had to do too. Good thing I changed my mind. It was so funny when I got like,
It's looking good.
it's not looking good. It's looking awful.
At least the ground.
Sort of.
Yeah, ground.
This always happens. I don't like that. Who says Minecraft cannot fly? Okay, I'll just wait.
And guys, I also have a video channel, and it's named Her Squad.
And I'm Drona's Build Squad. It's kind of like a newbie name. I know it's a newbie. I have a newbie name.
Yeah, Her Squad. Please subscribe and
What is this?
And
I have
please
no idea
subscribe
what's
and like there. Okay, friends.
Wait, what's here? I have no idea what's that. I'm gonna do that later.
Oh, that looks like a gun.
A gun? How is that a gun? There's no guns in.
You need 2 rows. Only one. Okay, come on.
Maybe I can do one. Should I? 2. I think I should do 2.
Okay, just shoot it.
Wait, I need
You
to
need
guess.
to-
No! Oh, I hate
You
that.
just need to stay this in your inventory.
No, I just want this.
Yeah. Wait. Oh, fence.
You see why. You need it.
You need zombie things.
I have no idea what an NPC is. I tried to spawn it in, and was that diamonds? I guess I go like, what is that diamonds? It looked like diamonds.
I think what's behind you? There.
What is this? I have to. No, I'm not going there. I just feel like doing this. You know, when somehow. Who? What? That's easy.
If you
I
say
can just
you're
do this.
on the grass, I'm not talking.
It's a tightrope.
Yeah.
It's a tightrope that's on. No! I want to go on it again.
Yeah.
I don't want to fly actually.
And this.
I wish I could go on survival mode. I don't want to go on survival mode. I don't want to show you. I actually signed into my friend. His name is Mohari H.
No, Horse Run!
No, that's his name.
Yeah.
See, Mohari H.
Okay, and please subscribe to my channel name Her Squad. Thanks. And like.
Yeah, that's his name. He had to sign it in. I have no idea what mine is, so I want to change my name, and I want you. Okay.
Her Squad.
Ooh, ba. Oh wait, am I trapped? I'm trapped.
Come on, just
I need a
come on,
ladder.
step
Let me
down.
get a ladder. Let me get a ladder. Let me get a ladder.
You can do it. And again,
No, I want a ladder. I want to. Wait.